What's up mga kaduday? Another day, another memories vlog. So back to Japan journey vlog tayo kasi madami pa tayong mga videos na hindi pa natin ma-upload. Gawa ng sobrang dami so hindi natin makayanin kasi once a week lang tayo mag-upload. So from tinitirhan naming apartment po sa Kisi, Takasago, pumiyahe po kami papuntang Shinjuku. Nag-train lang po kami. Hey, going to Mount Fuji. At saka magano kami picking strawberry. Tapos sasakay kami ng ropeway. Nandito kami ngayon sa Shinjuku Station. Palabas. From Kisi, Takasago to Shinjuku, 2 rides train po kami around 40 to 45 minutes. Tapos from Shinjuku train station po, papunta po sa bus, tourist bus point po is maglalakad po kami ng around mga 10 minutes po talaga. So medyo malayo-layo pa po talaga at kailangan naming habulin yung tourist bus namin or else maiiwanan kami. So yan na po, nakita na po namin yung tourist bus na sasakyan namin. So ito po yun. Ayan. Morning. Careful, mother. Good morning. Dito kami. Nasa bus na kami. Going to Mount Fuji. Binigyan kami ng sticker. This one.
Sakuya Hime. Her name means she is so beautiful like Sakura. Do you know Sakura?
Yeah.
Sakura. Cherry blossom. Cherry blossom. Sakura. See? Oh yeah, we can see it right now. Yeah, the mountain top. If we come here in summer, because we just see the picture, the photo of the Mount Fuji like this, right? With the snow on the mountain top. But if you come here in summer, you can see there is no snow on the mountain top. But you can climb in the mountain. You can get to the mountain top because
Finally, nakarating na din po kami dito sa ropeway. Diyan po sa taas. So, tatawid lang po kami dyan. So, yung biyahe po namin is around 2 to 3 hours po. So, medyo matagal po talaga. So, pwede ka naman po matulog sa bus. Hey! Sasakay kami dyan! What is this? Second time around, pangalawa na namin punta dito kasi nung spring nakapunta na kami dito. So sasakay kami dyan sa Mount Fuji Panoramic Ropeway. After here. Yay! Excited sa strawberry. Yan, yun yung Kawachiko Lake.
Meron ka na, Eugene?
Kyu, 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 kyu. Going up. Going up with the senior. Go, mother. Kaya mo yan, mother. You can do that, mother.
Wala na, mayroon pa.
Last na yan. From entrance po, medyo maglakad ka pa po paakyat ng mga around 3 palapag po. So medyo nakakapagod, nakakahingal po talaga. Lalo na yung mama ko is syempre hirap na po siyang maglakad. So at matanda na din po. So medyo nahirapan po talaga siya. Pero go lang. Pag sumakay ka po sa ropeway, may option ka po. Either round trip, one way. So pag round trip po, yung bayad ng adult is 1,000 yen. Tapos yung bayad ng child is 500 yen. Pero kung one trip lang, kasi yung iba naglalakad na po pa baba, so 600 yung adult, tapos 300 yung child. Yung ticket po namin sa ropeway is kasama na po sa tourist package namin. So, yung tourist package namin is bumili po kami sa Klook. So, around 12,000 to 18,000 yen po ang nabayaran namin per person. Pero Mount Fuji all day package tour na po siya. So, including na po yung ropeway, Mount Fuji, tapos strawberry picking, tapos may lunch na din, at saka yung sa Kawaguchi na lake po. So, sulit naman po siya kasi hindi po siya nakakapagod pag may tourist bus kayo. Kaysa compared nung nagpunta kami last time sa spring, medyo nakakapagod po yun kasi lang po kami, DIY.
请各位注意脚下站了。
Seniors!
Ba't pati ano nyo, dinala nyo yung sa pang Disney, dinala nyo dito?
Best daw niya.
Hindi, pati kayo eh.
Yan yung Kawachiko Lake.
Kawaguchi
Kawachiko. Bala na. Punta tayo doon sa taas. Nice view.
Kita natin si Mount Fuji ito.
Nagpapakita ba kaya si Mount Fuji?
Or Mount Fuji is shy. Kung gusto na umihin, Kawaguchi oh. Kawaguchi.
Kawaguchi pala. Wrong. My God. My hands is cold. It's freezing. There we go. That's the Mount Fuji. It's white. It's white.
Problema sa may time eh. Hindi ka mapag
Oo.
10 o'clock na eh.
10:30, may 1 hour pa naman.
30 minutes.
Oo, lang naman. Picture tapos ano. Hindi yan sa atin.
Okay, you
Magganyo pa ako. Si Mare, baka ako.
Hindi man nagpapakita si Mount Fuji, ma-cloudy. Yan. We're here already, Mount Fuji, kaso cloudy. Yan yung Mount Fuji, kaso cloudy siya. Yan, ito yung view. Mas maganda yung nung spring. Hindi maganda ngayon. Masilaw. Silaw. Walima. Yan. Tindahan dito. Snacks. Watch your steps. Wait, Tweety. Is that Tweety?
Message ko lang sila.
Going back na. Balik na tayo. Pangit yung video ko ganina. Hanapan ng pang two-way na ticket.
Akin naman.
Ticket free, ticket I can send the hospital for
Yung kapit ko pa ba?
Naubos na yung kape mo, ma?
3ループでお待ちください。
Kaya wakan na.
ご協力をお願いいたします。
Ito may cash cam dito. Kakainin ba? Kakainin ba?
Thank you for your cooperation.
Careful, mother, ha?
Right or left and proceed to the back of the gondola. The gondola will sway, so please watch your
Kain
step.
na lang ulit mo ako na. Baka yun na yung
Sorry.
皆様、山頂からの富士山はいかがでございましたか Did you enjoy seeing Mount Fuji from the top of the mountain? 富士山は一年を通じ紅葉や雪化粧など季節ごとに彩りを変えますのよ。その時々の表情で皆様をお迎えいたしますわ。浜松港へお越しの際はまた今日とは違う富士山をぜひお楽しみください。Mount Fuji changes color with the seasons, with the autumn leaves and snow. I'm sure you'll be greeted with a different expression next time. Next time you come to Kawaguchiko, you can enjoy a different Mount Fuji from what you saw today. 富士山の絶景を存分に楽しむのにおすすめしたいのが、ここより徒歩3分の川口湖遊覧船アスパルでございます。To enjoy the scenery of Mount Fuji to the fullest, we recommend the Lake Kawaguchiko sightseeing boat Appare, which is only 3 minutes on foot from here. 戦国時代の武田信玄をモチーフとした純和風の船での優雅な湖上遊覧のひとときはきっと皆様にもご満足いただけることでしょう。You can enjoy an elegant train cruise on a Japanese-style boat inspired by the Navy called the Sengoku Pier. ぜひ皆様のこの良き旅の思い出に川口湖遊覧船アッパレへ足をお運びいただければと思いますわ。We suggest that you visit the Appare to make your trip even more memorable. さて皆様、まもなくご到着でございます。またのお越しを一度お待ちしております。
Tapos na kami sa ropeway. Balik na kami sa bus. Go! Go, Lola Dudit! Go, Lola Dudit!